Here now I'm in the booth of Haida, which is injection molding machine manufacturer started from 2002. The solution they are providing is two cavities handle assembly solution of side IML with pails by their hybrid injection molding machine. The cycle time of this solution is around 10 seconds by GH automation with the mode by RX mode. Anyway, it is much slower than the solution by 3Tech, which is only 7 seconds. 3 second difference of the solution will means a lot of difference in turnout. That's a Haida injection molding machine.